Hello friends, welcome to another Darktable tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can copy the images from one folder to another. And sometimes we need to do it for various reasons to have a backup of our images, and it makes our jobs easier if we have to always export our images and then bring it back to the Darktable. That's always time consuming. So it's better if we can just copy images from here to anywhere else in the folders in the computer. So I figured that it's quite helpful, so I thought I would be sharing it with you guys. So let's say I want to copy these images, these 5 images, or you can select all of them, and then you see here is an option. You go to Darktable, of course, and then you see here we have an option, it's called copy. So you copy them, and then you select the location on your computer. Let's say I select it here, and then it says, do you really want to physically copy 11 images? You say yes. Now they have been copied here, and as you can see, now I'm in this folder here, and all the images have been moved to this folder in the computer. Since I have a folder imported here, now I can work under this folder as well. So basically that's what I wanted to show you guys, and I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.